So I've seen many young people make money, hundreds of thousands of dollars per month, just by using AI. You know, some people watch courses like Andrew Tate or breast scales or anything else, any other person. But I'm here to give you guys the secret sauce, all right? The secret sauce on how to make these $10,000 a month ideas come into reality, all right? Now, what I've stumbled upon today is making free apps that people can pay monthly for. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go to ChatGPT here and we're gonna type, I want to make a profitable app that is connected to today's world that people would actually use. Now, you can do something as simple as this right here, or you can go into way more depth into it, okay? I've made a different app that is way more in depth than this just because I was thinking outside of the box. Now, that's something that you can do as well if you just gotta take the time out of your day to do it. But just for today's sake of the video, to make it easier on you guys, I'm just gonna make it as simple as possible, okay? So let's just do this. Okay, so now we got 5 options that we can choose from. The first one, AI Personal Life Admin. What it does, tracks subscriptions and cancels unused ones, reminds about bills, find cheaper insurance services, negotiable refunds, organize. Okay. This one's not too bad. This one is more like it says, personal life admin. So it's kind of like a personal assistant, but with an app. So that's not too bad. We'll keep her on this one. Okay, the one that I like the most, honestly, is number 1, AI Personal Life Admin. I could actually see people using this and actually buying a subscription to this because it actually helps them in some type of way. Okay, what I told ChatGPT is to make this into a nice prompt so I can give it to Creo to build the app simply all from scratch so it can be up and running. So after I did that, let's press enter and paste this one. I kind of messed up. So let's do this. So ChatGPT gave us this whole entire script, which we did absolutely zero work for. That's what ChatGPT is here for us to use. So we go back to Creo, okay? Put this in the script, and once you put it in, upload it, and now it's reviewing your request. So you see it's building right now. I can create architecture plans, Option B, technical. Okay. See guys, this is why we use AI to make us millions, because look, half this shit, I'm not gonna lie, I don't even know how to do on my own. This is exactly why I use ChatGPT. Look at all this. What is this? What is all that? So instead of waiting all this time for that to upload, let's go ahead and just make like a simple logo. So since this is to, build everything, I'm gonna just say, make this into a logo that fits this app. Make it sleek and simple, therefore it's not over the top looking. Okay, we just typed in some random stuff. Let's see what ChatGPT gives us. Okay, I'm a dumbass and I just realized I need to sign into an account, but I'm not gonna sign into my main account, so I just made a little free account right here to upload the image. So what we're just gonna do, we're just gonna copy everything that we put into here from ChatGPT, and then on the very top, I'm gonna press enter twice. Oops. Alright. What happened? So I had a little issue. It was taking longer than expected, so I had to make a new chat. And I said, create me a logo that represents an AI coach for financial life. And this is what it gave me. Now, it is not the best, okay? Me personally, I will not use this. This is not that good. But for the purpose of the video, we're just gonna use this so we can have this all flow together. In the meantime, we went back to Creo, and this is looking pretty good. It's looking like it's almost done right now. So it says it was delivered. We got subscription analyzer, AI savings finder, okay, refund assistant, receipt organizer. This looks really legit. This is potential. So this tells you how much potential this app actually has. It says projected year 1 revenue $165,000. Year 1. Okay, I know we said by month 1 you will have 100K, but damn, 165,000 a year? That's more than half people in this whole nation. So from the subscription, it says you'll get $95,000. So people that actually pay to use the app. Affiliates, meaning like partnerships and everything, $50,000. APA licensing, $19,000. Average year user value, $2,000, $5,000 a year in savings. Subscriptions, $1,500 a year. Service, tax deductions. You always got to look at the tax, all right? I don't want to lead you guys in the wrong way. Always, always, always look at the legal aspect of this. If you need to, go back to ChatGPT and ask, give me all the legal advice for this, or taxes, or whatever, and then it will tell you. In your ways, it tells you the target market and the IDs and everything, all the files right here. It says no runs yet, use this form, add task details, run the agent, review result. Create new task. It has receipt files, email, text, receipts, organization purposes, tax year, business. Okay, so let's just mess with this. Receipt files. I don't have anything to upload, to be honest. So let's go to email. Let's just do YouTube67@gmail.com. Organization purpose. Oh, it actually has stuff you can choose. Want to return personal budget. Let's just do personal budget, right? Tax year. Which tax year do you receive for? Let's do this year's 2026. Business category. Let's do marketing advertising. Export format. Let's do all formats. Why not? Now that we got all this information, let's just run the agent. So what I found out this was right here. This is to make more details into the app. So what we just did was the app itself. Now we can add like little things that can make the app better. Whatever it is, the name or whatever you want it to be. For the sake of the video, I am not going to be doing that just for the time and for your guys' attention span, because I know nowadays no one has attention span. So the next thing you will do, you'll go to an app called Netlify. I'll put it on the screen because my Wi-Fi is low-key acting up right now, so it's not working. You go to Netlify, come back to Creo, download all your files, put it into Netlify, and Netlify will be able to run your website. So guys, it's as simple as that. From going to ChatGPT to Creo to Netlify, only 3 websites to make you some money this year. Hop on the trend now before it's too late. I'm trying to tell you right now, AI is taking over the world, and in today's day, it is everything. Everything. It's taking over jobs. It's taking over everything. So you guys need to be smart. Use this to your advantage, all right? I'm here to help you guys. I'm here to find every type of AI solution I can find to make money. And since I'm helping you guys out, please help me out by subscribing to the channel for more videos like this to help you guys out again, and liking the video just for you guys to come back to it eventually and applying this to yourself. Other than that, appreciate you guys for watching. I'm out. Peace.